Question 19. Part A. 1. The gradient of L1 through A minus 36 and B 39. Gradient is the change in y over the change in x, 9 minus 6, over 3 minus 3, which is 3 over 6, a half. Part A. 2. L2 is parallel to L1, so it has the same gradient, a half. It passes through C, minus 5, 0. Substituting. 0 equals a half times minus 5 plus C, so C is 5 halves. So L2 is y equals a half x plus 5 halves. Part B. 1. L3 is perpendicular to L1, so its gradient is the negative reciprocal of a half, which is minus 2. It passes through A. Using the point form, y minus 6 equals minus 2 times x plus 3, which simplifies neatly to y equals minus 2x. Part B. 2. P is where L3 meets L2. Set them equal. Minus 2x equals a half x plus 5 halves. So minus 5 halves x equals 5 halves, giving x equals minus 1. Then y is minus 2 times minus 1, which is 2. So P is minus 1, 2. Well done. That's question 19 complete.